earlier we were discussing the drawing modes. Okay. For example, I take a circle, ellipse. Okay. So now these below the color palette, we have three things. One is like, draw normal. One is draw behind. One is draw inside. So each one works differently. This is normal. When I draw something like this, it will come like this. Okay. Now I will take another one. I'll choose the next one. Draw behind path. Let me click this one. Okay. Draw behind path. This one we selected now. When I try to draw something, for example, I make another circle or rectangle. When I am drawing, see what will happen. For that, I'll just choose some other color. So you can see the difference. Red maybe. Okay. See, I'm drawing. Did you see what happened? It drew behind. Okay. Now there is one more option, inside. If I want to draw something inside, so when I draw, only it will show here. It will not come out. Let's see that one out. So for that, I'll just choose this one. But yeah, it's okay. But I don't want to select anything, but just I select outside. Then let me change color to maybe this one. Okay. Now let me draw again. But before drawing, I want to change the mode to this one. Draw inside. Draw inside is not working. Maybe disable this one. I think I need to select, then only it will work. So I selected this one. See, draw inside is working. When I draw something, it will draw inside, but I don't want to keep the same color. Okay, so okay, did you see the difference? Whatever I draw will show only within the picture. Like this, okay? So now we have completed 3 modes.
Like clipping mask, eh?
Yes, something like that. Yeah. Whatever we want to draw, it will draw behind or inside or normal. Okay. That is about that one.